Thanks very much. I think today is going to be more about what I don't know than what I do know, but that's just part of being in any role, isn't it? So I'm sure you can all relate to it. I was inspired last night, Cameron. I was thinking, you know, mastery, you know, surely I have some biosolids related mastery that I can talk about. And I did work at the zoo at one stage. So if you want, I can talk at length and in detail about the social uses of rhinoceros poo and the implications that that has for the artificial insemination program. It seemed like an excellent idea last night. After about 3 champagnes. Maybe not this morning? Maybe not. Okay, so look, to be really frank, I really am on the back foot here. You know, really are behind the 8 ball. I know a little bit about one part of the work that's being done. I've got a scribbled note about another opportunity, and then there is swathes of information that I don't know. So what I'd like to end with is talking about, you know, how I start to get in touch with people across the state and get to understand what the issues are. Yeah, but let's start with what I do know, because that'll be quick. Yeah. So South East Water and RMIT have been working on a biosolids to biochar project. Really exciting use of pyrolysis. The pilot plant is constructed. They've done the lab tests on what temperatures work, and the fascinating thing is they were showing that what they can do is take biosolids, turn it into biochar that can then be activated to use for activated carbon in our water treatment plants. So in terms of, you know, closing the circle and doing a complete turnaround, like, it sounds very exciting. So the safety audits are underway, and there have been, you know, a few little minor overspends and time overruns. I have to admit, there was a moment I had to smile. You know, they were talking about the fact that RMIT were a little concerned that importing lots of human waste product and cooking it at 900 degrees might not be appropriate on a city campus. You can picture, you know, they're picturing, you know, the Peru volcano, and so they had to move it into state. So hence, you know, a couple of delays. It's all good, but it is actually shaping up to be a very promising project. So yeah, very exciting to be part of that. There's a couple of other bits of work. There's a nutrient removal trial. That's it. That's what I know. Yeah, I really did. I was very honest when I said I don't know what's going on. So that was undertaken with
VUT.
Sorry, VUT and City West.
Central Highlands.
Central Highlands. Well, that's right. Yeah, thank you. So he should be up here, shouldn't he? Yeah. The trial's completed. It was really positive, and it was recommended for implementation, but that hasn't been undertaken yet. There's another project that I need to find out about, so once I find out about it, I'll tell you. And there's also an invitation out for a field day down at South East Water. So South East Water have been given agreement from the EPA to undertake a trial of soil injection of liquid biosolids. So they're offering the opportunity to go out and go on field and have a bit of a look. So I've sent that email through to Cameron. He'll distribute that because you do need to book into that, and that's in mid-May and down, I presume, regional South East Water?
Longwarry.
Longwarry,
14th of May.
Fantastic. So, you know, a nice opportunity to get out of the office and kick the dirt and, you know, maybe sample some nice food down on the peninsula while we get back. You never know. So, I did do a bit of an attempt to start engaging with people around the state. And so the first step, of course, was to send out an email saying, hi, I'm brand spanking new. I'm really interested in finding out how you've been working as a group and what's been working and what's not been working. And I can assure you that the silence has been deafening. So I started doing the ring round. And what I began to pick up, but it's very early days, is perhaps there are some opportunities that haven't necessarily been recognised. That there are some things which are some strategic opportunities that various people are saying, it hasn't really gone in that direction, that's the sort of direction I'd be more interested in. So I guess what I'm interested in getting you guys to do is to go back to the people who are working with your treatment plans and ask them to come to me and talk to me. Yeah, I'm interested in understanding, is there silence? Because you know what? We're good. There are no issues right across Victoria. Maybe. Or is it that... yeah.
Was that sarcasm?
Or is it that, perhaps they're sort of feeling a little bit alone and aren't necessarily feeling like, this group is going to address it. So I'm just interested in hearing where people are and what the issues are. Yeah. So I would, I'd ask you to do that as a bit of a favour from the champions. So I think that's about it, unless you want to go into artificial insemination programs and why zookeepers don't join gyms. Okay, that's it.